Ice cream. For generations, we've all had an irresistible desire to lick and eat sumptuous, tasty ice cream. While the pleasure we derive from eating frozen products is constant, the choices we have today are infinite. It's thanks to innovative companies that we can now enjoy at any time of the year and in any circumstances frozen yogurt and tofu, ice creams, sherbet, and iced milk. Tasty products that are good for us. Bio-Gourt International is the leader in this area. This Canadian company, whose equipment is distributed throughout the world, recommends 3 basic installations: on permanent counters, on mobile counters, on mobile carts. The years of experience and the design quality of its equipment has established Bio-Gourt's reputation worldwide for simplicity of installation, for its easy maintenance, for the durability of the components, and for the speed with which everything is self-financing. Bio-Gourt International counters can be found in a variety of businesses such as dairy bars, donut shops, convenience stores, hospitals, universities, shopping centers, pastry shops, and public buildings. As far as the mobile carts go, the impressive autonomy of the machine makes them usable almost anywhere. Furthermore, calculations based on the operation of the various permanent installations show that, on the whole, the investment required for the purchase of a mobile Bio-Gourt cart will be reimbursed within 3 months of the start of operations. The Fantasy Ice mobile cart is available in a variety of appealing models. Its easy use combined with its incredible autonomy of a power source allows it to be used almost anywhere, wherever there's a good return. The advantages of the mobile cart were amply demonstrated during a feast in New York City. In a single day, the cart operated for 18 straight hours with no exterior energy source and served some 2,000 yogurts for total sales of $5,000 US. While you're watching this video, thousands of people around the world will be benefiting from the quality of Bio-Gourt International equipment. So, it's up to you to join the ranks of the lucky business people who benefit from quality Bio-Gourt equipment to better serve their present and future customers all around the world. The world of taste. The installation of Bio-Gourt permanent equipment is easy. The equipment requires just 1 square meter. The permanent concept consists of 1 BM500 multi-mix machine, 1 BM601 cabinet for the multi-mix machine, 1 BC701 freezer, including 7 pans for the fruits, and 1 BLP101 half moon sign. Let's see how the yogurt machine is installed. It's placed over a sink, which is approximately 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters deep. Before positioning, place the 4 rubber pads on the 4 corners of the underside of the machine. Then, you must use a flexible plastic pipe to connect the cold water. As a last step, plug the machine into an electrical outlet. You are now ready to use your Bio-Gourt machine. Let's watch how it works. First, put 25 grams or 1 ounce of frozen fruit or any other mixture into a cup. Next, take a 100 milliliter portion of frozen yogurt or another product you wish to use, and without touching the frozen product, insert it into the cone. Pour the fruit into the cone and pull the handle down completely. Now, you need to hold the cup under the cone while the machine mixes the products and then delivers the creamy mixture into the cup. The whole operation takes just a few seconds. And that's all the work. You then just have to rinse the cone by pressing on the button on the front of the machine. This operation is only necessary for certain frozen fruit. Since we're talking about rinsing, let's see how you clean your Bio-Gourt machine once a day. Turn off the power source and remove the following parts. Pull the handle toward you and lift the tray out. Remove the front panel by grasping both sides and lifting up and out. Pull the handle down and using the tools supplied, loosen and remove the nozzle clockwise. Using the star-shaped end of the tool, loosen the auger blade. Push on the button of the quick release pin and pull to release the auger. Manually, pull the auger downwards. Unscrew the auger blade completely and then slide the auger shaft and spring out of the auger. To remove the splash guards, just pull out the quick release pins, then lift up and out. Release and remove the interior panels. Lift out the white splash guards and the cone. Place all the parts in the sink or basin and let soak. Wash, rinse, and dry all parts and the sink. To reassemble the machine, follow the same steps in reverse. Mobile counters are assembled, operated, and maintained in much the same way as permanent counters. 2 tanks are placed under the counter. 1 tank supplies clean water. The second tank collects used water. So, after each day's operations, you must empty the tank of used water and fill the other one with clean water. The mobile Fantasy Ice Cart is also very easy to install, move, and maintain. It can be attached to the back of a vehicle and can be moved easily. Once you have chosen your worksite, install the supports. Then you can open the panels on each side of the stand. And that's all there is. You are now ready to serve frozen delights to your customers using the same steps described earlier for the yogurt machine. At the end of your workday, you must empty the used water tank, put clean water in the other tank, wash the machine as explained earlier, and plug the machine into an outlet to recharge the power source. After 8 hours of recharging, you will be ready to use your mobile cart once again.